Here's how to make your Forra wading boot even more slime defying with this custom traction kit developed with our friends over at Grip Studs. Engineered specifically for the rugged Mars outsole of the Forra, this kit will give you greater traction on and off the river. The Grip Studs traction kit includes enough studs for a pair of boots and a tool for installation. After years of field testing, this is the recommended stud pattern for the Forra wading boot. I'm almost done with this installation, down to the last one. Let me show you how. Match the slots of the stud with the tool provided. Firmly center the stud on the recommended lug and begin to twist with smooth pressure until the head of the stud sits firmly against the lug, making sure not to over-tighten. Now that your install is complete, we'll see you on the water.